Greetings and salutations. So what I want to do is actually show you what comes in the box with the Apple TV that'll show up in your room. Now you might not ever see the box, and you might not actually see the little device because if it's hung up at the ceiling, you might not know. But I want to see so you can see what it is. This is your Apple TV box. Comes in a lovely little box. It might say HD. It may not. Don't panic if it doesn't. They all do the same things. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this box up. Ooh, the Apple TV with its fun, shiny remote. So when you get the Apple TV, this is the actual device that plugs into your projector and will allow you to AirPlay from anywhere in your room. So it's a pretty simple device. On the back, it has a few ports, all right? One looks like power. It's because it's where the power goes. Then there's an HDMI, and then there's a spot for a USB-C and a spot for a LAN or an Ethernet. You're never going to need anything other than the power and the HDMI, and once installed, you're not going to have to worry about it. It works just like any device plugged into an HDMI cable. So this part will get mounted, and then you don't really have to worry about it again. When it's up, you'll see a little light on the bottom right to denote when it's turned on. Inside of the box, you will find an Apple cable, okay, a lightning cable here, just like the ones that charge most iPhones that are out on the market today, because then you have your remote on this side. Your remote control is a much nicer, modernized version of the old remotes that existed. And they give you that lightning charger, so you can charge your remote right there. It just gets plugged in. You can plug it into a USB. And then from here, you have your simple buttons where you have your power button. Turns the Apple TV on and off. You have a click select here where if you have to navigate anything, you can do this. Although the vast majority of our Apple TVs are set up in what they call conference room mode. So you really just have to turn it on, and that's it. You've got a back button if that ever becomes something you need. A spot here where you can activate the control center or the Apple TV function, which we pretty much have disabled, meaning their streaming service, Apple TV. The play pause, a mute button, gotta love those, and a volume button. Now, depending on what your device is plugged into, this mute button and or this up-down volume may not work. So you kind of have to wait and see how it works and interacts with your device. And that's it. Once it's plugged in, all you'd have to do is press the power button, and then from there you'd use your iPad to AirPlay into the device. That's it. Hope you enjoy it. It's a pretty slick device.